We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we are looking at a 2020 Indian Springfield. This one is coming in Thunder Black. It's got the chrome engine with chrome detailing, engine guards front and rear, locking saddlebags, rider backrest and passenger seat, those cool studs on it. Has rider and passenger floorboards and has the 111 cubic inch engine. Lots of chrome detailing carried up top too. Nice tall windshield. And this bike also is equipped with ABS. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.